So guys, nakachamba tayo dalawa, no? On arcing lure. Okay. So banat natin, no? Yung rod natin is from Kelvin Bangero. Rod natin, line natin is 23 LV 4 strand by Renz Dominic Almanon Espinosa. And yung Shimano Sena 3000 natin is from Renz din. So lahat ng to is sponsored, guys. So finally nakachamba na rin tayo, dalawang trevally. So time check 8:28. Ayos, maaga pa.